Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to clean your SOUNDCORE Aerofit Pro headphones. Here, as you can see, I do have this Timo cleaner, and what I do recommend doing at first is to buy yourself any Timo cleaner that's available on the internet. And of course you can use just some quick brush, but I do recommend this Timo cleaner. So as you can see, once I open this Timo cleaner, I can access many tools. Let me, for example, take this brush. Apart from that, I can take this tool with this mini but very hard brush, and here, as you can see, I do have the little alcohol, but I don't really recommend using alcohol to the hearing devices. So open your headphones, your case, and now take both earbuds out of the case. As you can see, I do have here a lot of dirt, and what I do recommend doing at first is to take this brush over here and brush the area of the dirt. As you can see, I didn't use the alcohol at all, so maybe it won't be that easy to remove this dirt, or with the another brush it did come off. You can use just a little tip of the isopropyl alcohol to the electronic devices, just to have a quick something to remove the dirt. You can just use this brush over here. You can use some force, but very delicately, because we won't damage the pins. You can, as you can see, wait a moment. You can, as you can see, do something like this to remove the dirt. This more advanced brush here and here. I don't have much alcohol, that's why I'm not using it, but if you do have, you can just use it, but just a single tip. It will be easier for you. Now, here, as you can see, we're almost done, so let me leave it for a moment. I will clean it in for example, next hour, but let me focus on the headphones. Here, as you can see, you can do the same thing actually, but like this. Use just a soft simple brush without water. Don't use water, please, on the left one and on the right one too. Here and here, especially on these places when you can just clean every single place of the earphones, because this is just useful when you have them in your ears most of the time during the day, or just running with them. You just sweat a lot, and yeah. Now we can close the case and everything should be done. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.